1000 verbs in Arabic and English, Part 3. 12 verbs to introduce yourself or someone. This is Thuraya, your polyglot teacher. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell. I will read the English verb, and then for the Arabic verb, I will give you the past tense with huwa, with he, and then the present tense with he, and then the noun form, because this is how we learn verbs in Arabic. To be born, wulida. The original verb is walada, to give birth, and that would be in Arabic, walada yalidu al-wilada. To grow up, in the sense to be raised, nasha'a yansha'u النشأة. To get educated, تعلم يتعلم التعلم. To get married, تزوج يتزوج التزوج. To divorce, طلق يطلق التطليق. To be divorced, تطلق يتطلق التطلق. To get widowed, ترمل يترمل الترمل. To have children, أنجب ينجب الإنجاب. To get your children married, زوج يزوج التزويج. To own, ملك يملك الملك. To employ, وظف يوظف التوظيف. To use, استخدم يستخدم الاستخدام. To travel, سافر يسافر السفر. Click like if you liked this video. Also, have I missed any verbs? Let me know in comments below and I'll make a video with them. Check out my books on Amazon. انظروا إلى كتبي في Amazon. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to get all the news. تذكر الاشتراك والنقر على الجرس ليصلك كل جديد.